It's 11 p.m. I'm sitting in my chair, smoked the whole pack, drank 2 liters of Coca-Cola, lost my 10th game in a row over the tanks, and I started lighting another one. I was doing this every single night, and I told myself this is how I relax. But I felt like complete shit every morning. No energy, couldn't focus, couldn't get out of bed. One day I wanted to stop all of it, and I remember thinking, who would want to live in a world with no sugar, no games, no cigarettes? That's insane. Life would be miserable. And I thought I was ruining my life if I did that. But the opposite happened. Life became amazing. I had more focus, more energy. My posture fixed itself. I started to gain muscle. I even became more confident. All because these things were not messing with my hormones anymore and stopped turning me into a little bitch. So sacrificing these things actually made my life easier than it ever was. And it's funny how that works, because you think your life is easy because you do the things that make you feel good, when in reality it's much harder than it has to be. Because sleeping in is not comfort, it's starting your day behind other people. Scrolling for hours is not relaxing, it's losing control of your attention. Gaming all day isn't even fun, it's escaping the life you don't like. If you are sleeping until noon, then eating cereal for breakfast, then playing video games, you don't live an easy life. You live an exceptionally hard one, because you waste your entire morning and you probably can't even get out of bed. You scroll on your phone for much longer than you want. The cereal you eat for breakfast contains so much sugar and cancer that mess with your hormones and turns you into a little bitch. Video games take away all your time you could use to actually win in real life, but instead you just lose in games all the time. Not to mention that if you also drink or smoke or do drugs, you are literally delaying the time it will take you to get anything you want in life by tens of years. You will be weak, you will be soft, you will be unattractive, and the girl you like will not want to date you. Instead, she will date an asshole you hate. You will have no money. Your parents will have to support you. You will be the guy that everyone quietly feels sorry for. I know doing these things feels good, but it's exactly these things that will make your life into a living hell. If you agree with what I said so far, then like the video. And if you think I'm wrong, then keep watching and make up your own mind. And for those of you who don't know, on this channel I help young men to become better men, better boyfriends, better husbands, better sons, better fathers, and better friends, because everyone wants a man like that in their life. And so you can get married one day, because marriage is awesome. So try to watch as many videos as you can, because they will change your life. Now, if you think that life will be boring without these things, or what's even the point of living if you can't enjoy anything? The thing is, you know exactly what you would enjoy way more. You would enjoy way more to be fit and muscular and have girls drool over you. You would enjoy way more to have a lot of money. You would enjoy way more to finally make that girl you always liked your girlfriend. If I told you that if you sacrificed all of those things, you would get all of this in return, would it be worth it now? I don't know about you, but I would already be setting my alarm to 6 a.m. every morning just so I can get a date with her. So, here is the easiest way to do this. One simple rule. Make good things easy and bad things hard. If you smoke, throw away every cigarette in your house right now. Make it so hard to find one that when the craving hits, you give up before you even find it. If you play games all day, uninstall every game. Make it take too much time to even start playing anything. If you drink soda, remove every bottle from your house. If it's not there, you can't drink it. And on the other side, make the good things impossible to avoid. Set 3 alarms at 6 a.m. to make sure you wake up. Buy fruit and put it on the counter so you can always see it. Always have your gym bag packed so leaving the house to go to the gym only takes a second. You see, you are not trying to use willpower here, because willpower runs out. You are changing your environment so the good choice is always the easiest one. That's it. That's the whole plan. And it works, I promise you that. But once you remove all these things, you'll have more time and energy than you ever had before. And you need to know exactly what to do with it, because this is where most guys actually fail. They quit the bad habits, but then they just sit there and don't know what to do, and within a week, they're back to square one. That's why I wrote a book, How Any Young Man Can Win at Life and Love. It tells you exactly what to do with the time you just freed up. It shows you how to become more attractive, how to get the girl you always wanted, how to be more confident, how to become the man you always wanted to be. Link is in the description. And if you want to talk to me personally, link is also in the description. It's completely free. Before I tell you what to do next, if you agree with the message of this video, then please share it with as many people as possible. And if you want to watch more videos that will help you solve all your problems, find happiness, and find a girlfriend you will marry one day, then subscribe. So, if you remember just one thing from this video, then let it be this. If you don't stop doing these things, you are sacrificing your entire future, and you will never get what you want in life. And trust me, if you can make it past the first week after sacrificing them, you will see a whole new power in you that you never knew you had before. In my experience, being addicted to these things is just a symptom of being chronically lonely. So I've made a video telling you exactly how to cure it, and you should watch that video right after this one. Remember, God is real and marriage is us.